What's up? It is BrandyChanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair, makeup, and pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. All right, guys, so a couple weeks ago, maybe mid-September, I went to London and Paris with my mom. So I wanted to kind of come on and talk to you guys before I show you the vlog. Today is going to be day one of our adventure to London. Unfortunately, well, fortunately, because it actually ended up working out, but unfortunately for the people here in North Carolina, there was a massive Hurricane Florence, that kind of shocked a little bit of our trip. So we ended up changing our flight to go a day early. So you will see our in-flight footage, and then I'll show you guys around London via the hop on, hop off bus, the big bus tour, which is awesome. So if you guys are looking for some touristy things to do, if you're planning on visiting London soon, definitely check out the hop on, hop off bus, big bus. And without further ado, here it goes.
Hop on bus. Hop on. No seats in the back.
London is just an amazing city. I was there back in 2012 during the Olympics, and it was just as amazing this time, and there was no major event going on. It was just so fun to be there with my mom and just share the experience with her of visiting Europe for the very first time.
On board, and they started screaming. They told the driver what was going on.
Two-face club. The politician. Tower Bridge.
The only day the pedestrians have priority on Tower Bridge is the day of the London Marathon. Otherwise, it's something to work.
Oh, we ate at some great restaurants across from the River Thames. I think it was called Giraffe. I didn't take any footage in there, and I really wish I would have taken more footage on this trip.
Want a tip?
You know you want a tip.
Don't let me down.
But he's got no AIDS.
Oh my goodness.
On the river cruise. Oh,
River
pigeons.
cruise, pigeons flying, walking everywhere. Oh,
Look at that great
beautiful
sky.
place.
It's gray over there and pretty over here. You can see it. But yeah, about to cruise it out. Having fun so far, girlfriend?
Yes, I am. Fun, fun, fun. Wow.
On the river. We're now on the river.
Oh, so beautiful. Cloudy but beautiful. Get the blue sky.
Ooh, that's cute. keep dropping this bag. 4 Big Bens under construction. Well, not the Big Ben, but whatever the Parliament building. Pub on the Thames. Pub on the Thames.
Walk around the top of that dome, you get a great view. And to get to the top, there's a staircase over 500 steps. The Millennium Footbridge, featured in Harry Potter movie. I'm told the bridge, it sways and it gets destroyed by Death Eaters. They actually opened the bridge in the year 2000, the Millennium Bridge. On the right, the Tate Modern. Used to be a palace. But try to visit the theatre. There's a play every day from April till October. There'll be a play this evening. There'll be 2 tomorrow. In Mission Impossible, Tom Cruise has used it. And myself, I have used it many times, 1,000 years. Always had a bridge here ever since the Romans came to London.
Pretty boring though.
They opened that bridge 1973. He never served on it, but he was in the Navy in the war. He was actually on an American ship because we were given lots of American ships by the exit gate. If you've understood and enjoyed the commentary and you'd like to drop a few bob in the captain's bucket, that would be mostly appreciated by the crew.
So we ended up going, after we got off the boat tour, we ended up going back to the Marble Arch. And then we went shopping.
Yes, we had a wonderful time shopping.
And we went to Primark and Selfridges.
Shop, shop, shop. Love Suffrages. Oh, beautiful store.
And then, what was I gonna say? Oh, I will definitely do a Primark haul because I was just too busy shopping and I don't have time to record. So y'all will see that later. But, so we're gonna do our gratefuls of the night and then we're gonna dance y'all out. All right, so 3 things I'm grateful for is I'm grateful that we were able to make it out before the hurricane and get here a day early. And I'm grateful that I'm able to be on the trip with my mommy. And I'm just grateful that we are both in good health to be able to walk around because today we walked 5,000. We walked 15,500 some odd steps. That's a lot because I only usually get like 5,000. All right, your turn.
First grateful is to be blessed to be able to come to London and have a safe flight to London. My second grateful is to be here with my daughter Brandy. And my third grateful is to pray that my family and be thankful that my family is safe and get through the hurricane and be safe.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna dance y'all out.
Hey.